to the installation section of your LaserCad course. So you should be here in LaserCad installation. Now within there you're going to see access to the videos of the PDF, of course, and then the installation videos in line. We do put a beam alignment here. There's also a PDF on alignment, one on the PMs, and then the general installation guide. Now, within the installation videos, the first thing we're going to do is pre-check the pre-installation. So I want you to go back and check all your hoses, make sure they're on tight. If you're paranoid about them, you can put light tie straps on them. Remember, you don't really need to tie strap the hoses that go to the tube, because you don't want to crank down on them so hard that you crack them. The pump itself, remember, you're going to run it somewhere between 20 to 25 on a normal job, 35 to 40 on something that you think flames a lot. So you're going to need to be able to adjust that. And then you have your exhaust fan. Make sure that those clamps are on tight, because they will wiggle off, especially if you're rolling the unit forward and aft to do pass-through. Remember, all the red doors on your cabinet allow you to pass items through it, so you can do items that are larger. Remember, you have to get to the outside air. And again, those are 8.4 amp blowers, so you can put 2 per surge protector. You're pulling about 15 amps here at surge on the Porter cable, so that may have to go on its own as well. And then you will see this cheater here. If that cable breaks between the chiller to the laser, you can put this on there and run until I get you another cable. But that's one of the reasons why I want the chiller and the laser plugged into one surge protector and up and positioned up by the pendant. That way, every time the laser's on, the chiller's on. Every time the laser's off, the chiller's off. If you have this on here and the chiller's off, you can run the laser for about 10 minutes before you take out the tube. So be careful with that little component. Thank you.